All right, let's talk about something that for so many businesses is, well, it's a constant headache, payroll reconciliation. It's absolutely critical, but man, it is often a manual nightmare. So today, let's look at how we can flip that script and turn it from a headache into a real advantage.
So let me just ask you straight up. Are you still doing employee benefits reconciliation by hand? If you're anywhere near finance or HR, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That monthly grind of matching what you paid against what the benefit providers say you owe. If that question alone makes you tired, then you are definitely in the right place.
Because this is what it looks like, right? The cycle of manual madness. First, you got to export all that data from your payroll system. Then comes the fun part, painstakingly comparing it, line by line, against provider reports that are probably in totally different formats. Then, of course, you manually flag every little mismatch and then go back in to update all the employee records. It's slow, it's tedious, and it's practically begging for errors to slip through the cracks.
And when those errors do slip through, well, the first huge risk you're looking at is this: compliance issues. See, a simple mismatch isn't just a small mistake. It can snowball into really serious regulatory problems, fines, audits. It's a super high-stakes game to be playing by hand.
And on top of that, the whole process just grinds to a halt. When your team is burning hours, sometimes even days on manual reconciliation, it creates a massive bottleneck. What does that mean? Critical financial reporting gets delayed, and that means big business decisions are being made using stale, outdated information. Not good.
And let's not forget the human cost here. For the people stuck doing this repetitive work, it's just draining. But maybe more importantly, when there are errors in benefits, it hits your employees directly. That creates frustration, and it starts to chip away at their trust in the company. And that is a conversation nobody wants to have.
So, what's the solution? Okay, let me introduce you to the hero of this story, robotic process automation, or RPA. To put it simply, this tech uses AI-powered software bots to perfectly handle all those repetitive, rules-based tasks that humans find so mind-numbing. They're literally built to do that exact cycle of exporting, comparing, and flagging we just talked about.
And the impact this has, it's huge. We're talking about an 80% faster processing time. 80%. To put that in perspective, a task that used to take a full 8-hour day can now be done in less than 2 hours. That's not just a minor improvement, that is a fundamental transformation of your entire workflow.
This really says it all, doesn't it? You go from the before state, manual, slow, and just full of potential errors, to the after state, automated, incredibly fast, and because it's all rules-based, it's virtually 100% accurate. The difference is just night and day.
So, how does this automation magic actually work? Well, for starters, the bots can read and validate reports in any format. Doesn't matter if it's a PDF, an Excel file, you name it. They automatically create these perfect audit-ready logs, which makes compliance checks way less stressful. Plus, they can integrate with any payroll platform you're using, even old legacy systems. And for those tricky, weird cases, they use custom logic to handle exceptions and can even send instant alerts when a human actually needs to take a look.
The source material we looked at really hit the nail on the head with this quote. Manual reconciliation doesn't just cost you money, it actively drains the 3 things you need most for a healthy operation: your time, your accuracy, and your employees' trust.
So this leaves us with one final, and I think really important question you should ask about your own business. Right now, is your payroll process a liability? Is it a source of risk and a drain on your resources? Or is it a streamlined, accurate function that actually gives your business a strategic advantage? With automation, that choice is really up to you.